Another video to show the progress on Ian's tractor. It's coming along very nicely. We got the seat on it now, and the dash, and the steering wheel, and the front wheels that are temporary because I haven't got the new ones in yet. We got the PTO set up on there. Got a little bit of decals. This little knob here, I don't know if you can, right there on top of the steering wheel, I had to make that. Then this little sleeve underneath the steering wheel I just made last night. I got the knobs for the throttle and the hood latch on order. And I got the decals for the motor on order. Got to finish up my wiring job, but it's also coming along nicely and very simple. Thought I'd try some padding here where the hood sits down to help prevent the vibration that they normally get. That wire sticking out the fronts from my headlights, I'll wire that in when I get the hood on there. Of course, obviously, the wires are hanging out. That's where the ignition switch will go. It's on order too. Alrighty. And that's all.